Hello guys, in this session we're going to be talking about a very simple thing that is called as assign. How you can assign values to a variable. Let's get started. So just say assign. I will just do it, then you will understand. I really hate theory part. So just see here, the variable is already there, that is grade. What we'll do is just say grade, right? And grade, let's just say grade is equal to C. Okay, so what I've done is I've assigned C to grade, right? And I can assign C to grade, I mean a static value, or I can assign one variable to another variable. That also I can do it. So just make this as your start node, then just add a message box, message box, sorry, message, just stupid space, just give a space, then it works, right? So drag top, done. So it shows a mark, means something is missing, that is nothing but the content is missing. So we're gonna just display the grade, right? So just say grade, done, simple. So over, let's just run it, then you can understand. Run. So can you see the okay, right? So very simple, right? Let's run it. Okay, yeah, so simple. Okay, so that's it guys for this session. I hope you understood what's the session. So the practical use of assign, we will see it later, but this was the technically this is what assign was. Thank you very much.